everyone, it's Abby with the Bead Place and beadplace.net, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really fun pair of mixed metal cold connection earrings with just jump rings and head pins. You will need 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, 1 round nose pliers, and 1 flush cutter. You'll also need our mixed metal earring kit, which contains 2 small discs, 2 large 2-hole discs, 2 head pins, 4 large jump rings, 2 small oval jump rings, 1 pair of earring findings, 4 turquoise colored seed beads, and 2 barrel beads. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is find one of your head pins, string on 1 of the seed beads, 1 of the barrel beads, and 1 more of the seed beads. Then grab your chain nose pliers, one with the smooth flat surface to the inside of the plier head. Grab the head pin directly on top of the beads and bend the wire into a right angle. Switch to your round nose pliers. Grab the head pin right in the bend so that the noses of your pliers are stacked on top of one another instead of side by side. Bend the wire up around the top of the pliers and down towards the beads. Put the round nose pliers back into the loop, bring the tail end out to the other side, and then wrap around the bottom to secure it. If you need a more in-depth video on this, check out our video specifically dedicated to making closed wrap loops. We'll put a link in the description below. Now we're going to trim the tail end off of the bottom. Now we're going to connect the dangles to the large discs using the large jump rings. I'm going to be using 2 chain nose pliers. You can use a chain nose pliers and a flat nose pliers if you'd like. I'm going to grab my large jump ring and hold it so that the break of the jump ring is at 12 o'clock. I'm going to bring one of my pliers in sideways like this, and I'm going to bring the other pliers in straight up and down. And I'm going to open my jump ring by twisting my wrist so that my jump ring opens in this direction. So if you've been watching our videos for a while, you're gonna recognize this, but always open and close your jump rings like this and never like this. That way, when you're opening and closing, they'll come back together right in the right spot and you won't have to worry about pushing the gap closed with your pliers. So now that I have my jump ring open, what I'm going to do is string in my dangle and string in my large disc, and I'm going to close my jump ring in the same way. So hold it so that the break is at 12 o'clock, bring 1 pliers in sideways, hold almost the whole entire other side straight up and down with your other pliers, and close it. So I'll give you a closer look. So our next step is now to connect the cute little center drilled discs onto the double drilled discs using a jump ring. So again, we're going to open and close our jump ring in the same way. Twist it open. We're going to string the disc, and then we're going to string the smaller disc into the jump ring. Just like this. You might have to take your pliers out of the way, hold it with your fingers in order to get it to open and close just right, but that's essentially what we're doing. Pretty easy. So the next step is to open and close the little itty bitty jump rings, also in the same way, to attach our earring findings. So you just open it, hook it in to the big jump ring, and then attach your earring finding. So just hook it in and close it. So there we have it. Thanks for watching and joining us today to make this really fun, beautiful statement pair of earrings inspired by a pair of earrings created by the design team at TierraCast. They make fantastic designs as well as fantastic products that you can find at beadplace.net. The link will be in the description below. You can purchase these earrings in kit form, or you can purchase the materials individually. Again, link in the description below. So what do you think? Would you wear these earrings on their own to be a statement, or would you pair them with a necklace? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And if you would like to see more, hit the subscribe button. We put out new videos at least once a month. Like us on Facebook. We're on Instagram and Pinterest as well. And again, thanks for watching.